Welcome to Factful Finance, where we don't just talk money, we decode wealth. What if I told you some businesses are silently boosting their sales by 30%, slashing costs by 60%, and scaling globally without adding a single employee? The secret? AI chatbots and automation. And no, we're not talking science fiction. We're talking revenue results that banks, e-commerce giants, and everyday entrepreneurs are already cashing in on. Whether you're running a solo side hustle or managing a scaling brand, understanding how AI tools increase sales isn't just a smart move. It's the difference between staying afloat and thriving. Today, we're diving deep into how automation and AI chatbots are transforming the sales landscape, and more importantly, how you can use this to make real money. Let's start with the most fundamental shift: consumer behavior. According to a recent McKinsey study, over 70% of buyers now expect instant responses when engaging with brands. That expectation doesn't sleep, doesn't take weekends off, and doesn't have patience. Enter AI chatbots, trained to engage, qualify, and convert leads 24/7. Consider Sophia, a freelance jewelry designer in Austin. Before automation, she was replying to every DM manually, missing messages while juggling production. After integrating a simple chatbot through ManyChat on her Instagram and syncing it with her Shopify backend, she not only doubled her conversion rate, but cut response times from hours to seconds. This isn't just anecdotal, it's structural. Harvard Business Review reports that companies responding to leads within 5 minutes are 400% more likely to close a sale than those that wait even 10 minutes. AI bots don't wait. They close. Now let's break down how these bots actually increase sales from a technical, strategic, and financial perspective. First, lead qualification. A properly trained AI chatbot doesn't just answer FAQs. It identifies high-value prospects through targeted questions. Using natural language processing, it sorts serious buyers from window shoppers. Think of it as your personal 24/7 sales intern, only it never gets tired or asks for a raise. Second, sales funnel automation. Through integrations with CRMs like HubSpot or Salesforce, bots guide users down tailored sales funnels. For example, when Jason, a digital course creator, used a chatbot to offer tailored quizzes, his funnel completion rate jumped by 47%. The bot wasn't just answering, it was nudging, guiding, and persuading with logic backed by behavioral psychology. Third, cart recovery. Abandoned carts are a $4 trillion problem annually, according to Baymard Institute. AI bots trigger personalized reminders via email, SMS, or even WhatsApp. When Zara, a boutique skincare brand owner, implemented AI-driven abandoned cart messages, her recovery rate shot up from 8% to 25%. That's a direct, measurable revenue lift with zero extra labor. Fourth, cross-selling and upselling. Smart bots analyze past purchases and suggest complementary products, just like a human salesperson would, but better. They can access data in milliseconds and make suggestions backed by probability, not guesswork. This approach mirrors recommendation engines used by Amazon, which attributes 35% of its revenue to this tactic. Fifth, customer retention and support. A returning customer is 5 times cheaper than acquiring a new one, per Bain & Company. AI chatbots maintain engagement post-sale, offering order updates, re-engagement prompts, loyalty rewards. By keeping the communication loop open, brands build trust and drive recurring sales. So how do you, as an entrepreneur or small business owner, implement this? Here's your action plan. Step 1. Define your sales objectives. Do you want more leads, more conversions, higher average order value? Your chatbot must be trained for that outcome, not just to chat, but to sell with purpose. Step 2. Choose the right platform. Options like Chatfuel, ManyChat, Intercom, and Drift each serve different markets. For e-commerce, Shopify-compatible bots are ideal. For B2B, Drift or HubSpot's AI integrations are better. Always select based on compatibility with your existing stack. Step 3. Train the bot with intent, not just answers. Use real customer questions, objections, and pain points. Feed the bot scenarios and responses that mimic your best salesperson. According to a Salesforce survey, 64% of customers expect personalized interactions. That means your bot has to feel human, not robotic. Step 4. Integrate with your CRM and email marketing tools. The bot should automatically log interactions, tag leads, and trigger segmented follow-up sequences. This isn't just about automation, it's about orchestration of the full sales cycle. Step 5. Test, optimize, and scale. Set KPIs, response time, conversion rate, upsell rate, and monitor them weekly. Just like a financial portfolio, your chatbot strategy needs rebalancing based on performance data. A/B test different scripts, flows, and tone. Now let's talk about making serious money with this. Automation doesn't just reduce costs, it compounds gains. Take Marcus, who runs a niche online coaching platform. By integrating a chatbot that offered free mini consultations, booked calls, and followed up with urgency, he boosted his monthly revenue from $8K to $32 in under 6 months. Same content, same traffic, different system. And yes, automation means less overhead. No hiring extra staff, no overtime. You're building a digital workforce that works while you sleep. But there's a catch. Automation without strategy is just noise. You must align the tech with your brand voice, financial goals, and customer journey. Financially speaking, this aligns with fundamental risk management and ROI principles. Instead of variable costs, human reps, you shift to fixed tech costs, predictable, scalable, and tax-deductible as business expenses under IRS guidelines. And let's not forget, time is your most valuable asset. AI buys you back time while making you money. That's the golden equation. But don't take this as blind endorsement. This content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services isn't an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional to craft a personalized strategy. Now, are chatbots the only path to sales growth? No. But in today's economy, ignoring AI is like ignoring the internet in 1997. So, what's your move? Will you let tech pass you by, or will you start building systems that sell, scale, and serve your goals? Tell me in the comments, what's one part of your business or side hustle that you think could be automated right now? I read and respond to as many as I can. And if this opened your eyes to the power of AI in wealth building, make sure you stay in the loop. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Still curious how tech is reshaping your financial future? I've got something that'll blow your mind. Tap the video on screen and see for yourself.